Hello everyone, Sanskar here, and today we will be talking about how we can run local models on your machine. Some examples of them are like Gemma, DeepSeek, Llama, Phi, Mistral, and a few others. And today I will show you how you can run them locally and then use them in your projects using Python. But before we proceed, you need to be familiar with your system requirements. As a note here, you need to have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM to run a 7 billion model, 16 gigabytes of RAM to run a 13 billion model, and 32 gigabytes of RAM to run a 33 billion model. So let's check my system requirements. You can just use the command neofetch to see your system requirements. As you can see here, my system contains 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the plan for today is to run Llama 3.2, which is a 3 billion parameter model, which should anyway be able to run on an 8 gigabyte machine. So to run and download a model, you need to head to a website called ollama.com, which is a software that allows you to download and run models locally on your machine. You click the download button, and once you have it installed, verify if you have the model installed. So to see if you have Ollama installed, just try typing Ollama in your terminal. Let's use the -- version command to see what version of the model is installed. And to see the list of the models that you have installed already, you can just type Ollama list. Here you can see I have Llama 3.2, Llama 3, Mistral, BGE, and all the other models installed. But if you want to download and install a latest model, what you can do is type Ollama pull and then the model name. And to verify if it has been installed successfully, you need to type Ollama run and then type the model name. And then let's just try asking it a question. Why is water transparent? As you can see, it starts a streaming response, looks like the output is in Markdown, and it comes up with a response. Now we need to install this model and use this model in a Python project. So to do that, what you need to do first is create a virtual environment, activate it, and then you need to install LangChain and LangChain Community. So LangChain is a framework that allows you to build AI agents easily with certain abstractions, and the LangChain Community is the module that supports the community extensions. And then you create a Python file. From LangChain Community, import Ollama. And in Ollama, type the model name, instantiate the class, and then we just need to ask it a question. Why is water transparent? So let's try to run this app and see what the response is. We need to activate the virtual environment, and then let's just try it. Comes up with a few warnings. We can ignore it for now. And as you can see here, it comes up with the response. Again, similar Markdown response. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can download and run local models on your machine in under 5 minutes. My name is Sanskar, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.